or isometric. So that case, isometric view is a three-dimension pictorial views, pic- pictorial views which translate two dimensions, and it is a isometric projection is also known as axonometric projections. Axonometric projections. It is a type of orthographic projections used for creating a pictorial drawing of an object where the lines of sight are perpendicular to the plane of projections and the object is rotated around one or more of its axis to reveal multiple sides. So isometric view is a type of axonometric drawing or projections which is a type of orthographic projections used for creating a picture type drawing of an object where the lines of sight are perpendicular to the plane of projections and the object is rotated around one or more of its axis to reveal multiple sides. In, in this form of view, generally the object side foresighted by approximate 80%. Means in this side of in this type of projections, the shape of the object is foreshortened about 80%. So in that case, we can see that in the orthometric projections, in the isometric projections, is a method for visually representing three-dimensional object in two dimensions in technical or in engineering drawing. And on the same time, it is a axonometric projections in which three coordinates axes appear equally foreshortened and the angle between any two of them is 120 degree, 120 degree, and the angle between two sides will be 120 degree. But in case of drawing, make with the horizontal, one side will be 30 degree and other side will be also 30 degree. Therefore, the two sides angle will be 120 degree. Next, sir. This is a type of multi-view projections in which if a hexagonal is a square hexagonal is put in front of vertical plane and same time perpendicular to horizontal plane, we give the true length of the object, say of the object like a square, and in other case if this is inclined object is inclined both the axes, that is horizontal and vertical, then the portions will be look like that. Therefore, for that purpose, we make view like axonometric projections, and these axonometric projections imbibes towards isometric projections. Next. Next, and this is a view which is multi-view versus axonometric projections. Now, axonometric projections is that it is a orthographic projection. Generally, it is a orthographic projections, and one orthographic projections is the ray of the side will be perpendicular and the axis will be rotated to any angle. Next, sir. In orthographic projections, projections are taken on two or more mutual perpendicular planes. Means in orthographic projections, we have take projection two or more axes which is are mutual perpendicular. But in case of axonometric projection, the object is oriented, means oriented or rotated twice as a prior and approximately so that his 3D picture are clearly visible on the vertical two dimensions plane. For example is just like that. This is a three-dimensional. Now, advantage and limitations of this. Advantage, easier to now axonometric drawings are classified based on how many axes are foreshortened. How many axes are foreshortened? That axis may be foreshortened about 80% of the real length. All three axes are unequal foreshortened. This is known as trimetric projections. Two of the sides are equally foreshortened. This is known as dimetric projections. And if all sides are equally foreshortened, this is known as isometric projection. Means isometric projections is a part of axonometric projections in which all the three sides are equally foreshortened. And if the two sides are equally shortened, this is known as dimetric projections. And if all axes are unequally foreshortened, this is known as trimetric projections. As you saw in this case, trimetric. Now, the steps for isometric projections. A start, a state, isometric projection. First of all, we draw on principal face of the object, that is parallel to the projection. First thing we have used, first angle projection is used, and the diagonal will be body. Now second step, Q is rotated by 45 degree clockwise to the axis. This is the positions that Q is rotated by 45 degree clockwise about the axis, and the projections will be of this shape. and the A dash dash the diagonal form of this object. So look at these projections. Now the object forward by 35.27 degree or a cube. This corresponds to a forward tilt till the body diagonal maybe appears at point. This is tilted so that the diagonal point will be appear as a point on that is case of dash diagonal form is here it has dash and in this case if it rotated by 30 degree 60 minutes then the diagonal look like this type A dash B dash that is a isometric axis. So this one is the a step initial step that is used. Next next one is and the side is shortened approximately 81%. 81% or 80% projected length or will be shortened by 80 or 81% of it. And the three axis is rotated through 35 degree and 16 degree. Next, sir. Next. Next slide. Low. Now, therefore, the summary of the isometric projection is initially we keep parallel to the plane object, then it is rotated by 45 degree about vertical axis, and then it is tilted forward by 35 degree and 16 degree. This is the summary of the above steps which we have discussed. So isometric projections steps are taken. The position of the object or then this is rotated 45 degree then it is tilted by 35 degree and 16 degree. So these will give the isometric and the shape is look like that. All edge are foresighted by 80%. Therefore, the actual length is foresighted or shortened of the object by 80%. That is 0.08 times. Now, in the first picture, no object rotations front and top side, no force are there. That's case, if there are no positions of the object here, then there is no shortened of length. Then, if the case of two object rotated about, if the object is about vertical axis, then the gate two sides are for certain. Sides are for certain. If the object rotated about vertical and profile axis, three sides, then in that case, three sides are here. So in this figure we have got that object rotated about vertical and y-axis. Then the three sides of the object are sorted, and this length is shortened by zero point 0.8 times than the original. Now this is the basic concept of axonometric projections. One may get several depending on the angle of its rotation. So we can get the different pictures by the angle of rotations of all the three sides we have already discussed. That case, uniformity or unity and standardization is required. Now the standardization is different in different axonometric case of isomorphic functions. And on a step, this is isometric with the object is rotated by 45 degrees about the vertical axis, then 35 degrees 16 minutes about the y-axis. Why this one rotated? It results in equal amount of foreshortening of the object down the isometric axis. Now the concept of isometric projection. Concept of isometric projection is that 3D pictorial view picture type is transferred to two dimensions view paper so that can obtain the proper view of any object, but the actual length is shortened by zero point 0.8 times than the length of isometric projection. Next, to equal amount of foreshortening, for that purpose we have initially rotated by 45 degree and then vertical and then by 35 degree 16 minutes for the profile like this. Next, now the concept of isometric projections is that we get the hexagonal type that case, and that case we draw the isometric projections by making 30 degree side. See the concept of initially we kept parallel to the object, then this one make 45 degree, I 5 degree, and then get the side speed or side angle. The case is the axis is rotated by 45 degree. Now, now case of 45 degree, I think we can get the type of view. Top view. Now, initially the object is kept
हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग। ठीक है, फिर क्लास होस्ट हूँ, बैठा हूँ। बोलिए ना, बोलिए, अगर म्यूट है मेरा। वो अभ्यास का वो मैं भेजा तो हूँ। अच्छा अच्छा। ठीक 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 ठीक। ओके ओके।
for the circle with the which gives the isometric projections of circle is like a ellipse.
हेलो।